In this video, I'll show you how to stop receiving the tailored for you mentions and replies notifications on X, formerly known as Twitter, so you can take back control of your notifications and keep your feed a lot cleaner. This is a quick and easy fix, and once you know where to look, it only takes a few moments to turn it off. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and social media guides just like this. Now let's get into it. First, open x.com or Twitter and make sure you're signed into your account. On the left side navigation bar, look for the More option and click it. This opens up the additional menu where a lot of the deeper account settings are stored. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage everything related to your account, security, notifications, and preferences. Once that menu opens, select Notifications. This section controls the alerts you receive across the platform. Next, click Preferences. Inside Preferences, you'll find different notification options that let you customize how X sends updates to you. Now choose Push Notifications. This is the area for alerts that appear directly on your device. Once you're inside Push Notifications, look for the Mentions and Replies section. Here you should see the option related to tailored for you notifications. Simply toggle that option off. Turning it off will stop those mentions and replies notifications from being pushed to you. And that's it. You've now turned off the tailored for you mentions and replies notifications on X. No more unnecessary alerts popping up and distracting you throughout the day. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.